Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, and today we are continuing with our Driving Across Jamaica series, and now we will be driving from Halfway Tree to Portmore Toll, and this time we are going by Hagley Park Road, and we're going to be using the new 3 miles bridge which goes over Spanish Town Road. So continue to watch my series for more directions all over Jamaica. Thanks for watching. This is the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar Road. We have Devon House on your right as you go across, but eyes on your left. This is the YMCA we're passing on the left. Straight into Halfway Tree. I really don't drive through Halfway Tree often, but I'm gonna do it for our video. Sorry, I keep adjusting this because the phone is a little heavy, so it keeps bringing down the holder, and if it goes right on, it will just slide out. The busy place. But there's a place in there called Chungs. In Chungs, you can get all, if you have a restaurant or so, food place, or cake decorating business, you get everything you need in there. Containers, cake decorating ingredients and equipment, all sorts of things. Soup cup, plastic cup with lids, plates, everything. Everything you want. Juicy patties on your left. Little plaza on your left. Halfway Tree Mall. So this is like Halfway Tree Square. Now what they call this, Mandela Park on your right. It's always congested down here. Taxi headquarters. Because this is like the transportation headquarters in Kingston, so you find a lot of pedestrians on these roads. So this is Hope Road. You have York Pharmacy on your left, York Plaza on your left. Pharmacy sort of on Halfway Tree where they have mothers on your left in that plaza. Nice plaza over there. In terms of the shops, nice shops. So we're going straight over to Hagley Park Road. You could take the left or you could go straight down, but I like to be in the left lane. Hagley Park Road has a lot of business places, a lot of car marts, a lot of car parts place, stores. It's basically like a straight road. It's a good road. They have done some fixing up on this road, which took forever when they were building the bridge over. So we're heading towards 3 miles. 3 miles is where you have Spanish Town Road intersecting Hagley Park Road. So you have a bridge where they built, which so it used to be very congested, and you had all these places. You had all these vehicles just piled up. So what they did, was build a bridge which bypasses or goes over 3 miles square sort of intersection, and they converted it to so you just go straight over the bridge if you're going to Portmore or you're going on to Marcus Garvey Drive. This is the Honda dealer, really nice dealership here. This gas station, you can turn right to go on to Malines Road here. I think that's the turn to go Malines Road. Watch the police, them and go for us, Lord. Be very careful on these roads if you're a pedestrian. Lots of traffic. It's not so bad now because it's a little earlier today and school is out. Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Let's go over the light on your left. Let's see if I can read the signs. Hagley Park, what is that? Hagley Park, Commercial, some plaza on your right. Sherwin-Williams, Paint on your left. Holliston Drive goes off there. NSWMA, the Jamaican, you know what that is, garbage collection and stuff. You can take some shortcuts through those roads to go back to Maxwell Avenue. Shocks Depot, Medical Disposable, Love FM. Some car places, tire place. There's another plaza on your right. The domes on your left is another plaza, and I think there's a juicy beef on your left. HChem paints and stuff. Sorry, you can. So, Patent Motors on your left, Automotive, Super Auto Parts on your left, Excel Auto Parts on your left. I think I missed some. I'm not getting to see the ones on the right. So you could turn back to Spanish Town Road by turning left at the end of Hagley Park Road, and you just go around under the bridge and you go on to Spanish Town Road. Or you could go straight over the bridge and go to the toll road for Portmore. Watch out my other videos, you will see where I did the Marcus Garvey Drive and the Kingston to Portmore toll videos. City Auto Transmission on your left. Perry's Manufacturing on the right. They supply a lot of stuff for hotels and restaurants. CV Joints Depot, Dental Care on your left. Superior Motors on your right, and there are Superior bikes now. Okay. Donut and Tigger's Man on your right. Huh? Auto Specialist. I should go in the right lane, you know, since I'm going straight across. Because there's people in the left who are going on to Spanish Town Road. Over the light. G-Man Auto Sales on your left. Oasis gas station on your right. Alma Jones Medical Center on your left. You can turn right at this intersection to go back onto, I think it's Waltham Park Road. And you can drive to Waltham and go up to Mullines Road and go to Kingston, or sorry, go to HWT or Boulevard, Washington Boulevard from that side. So this is a big intersection up here between Waltham Park Road and Hagley Park Road. Downtown, you would take, after you go over the bridge, you take the left. I think you can also take that side one on your left and go under. So various ways. So you really should stay in the left lane, and then if you can't overtaking, you go on the right. Because I'm going to Portmore side, I'll keep in the right, and there's no one behind me. You can see the walk from here. I hope you can get a good view. Whoa. I should have used the closer view. You would have seen it much better. Whoa. I don't drive here often, so that was a great view. Hagley Park or downtown Kingston, you take the left. You always have a lot of guys at the intersection. Don't wind on your windows. Careful. If you want to give them a change and everything is secure, drive up. So those people on the left are going to turn right and go on to Spanish Town Road or go back to HWT. Today I would have had it easy on Spanish Town Road, but I have another video to posting this video. I'm gonna speed it up because I already have a video on the toll road. Okay, that is 64.1 is the toll road downtown to Portmore by the toll road. So I'm gonna speed up this video. In the left lane because I'm not going to be going as fast as these guys. roundabout. And I want to stop and buy 2 patty at least. Buy 1 patty, and a cocoa bread maybe at tasty. The thing is, you know, when you out of habit, you will stop and buy certain things which are not the healthiest. But if you stop for a couple of weeks, it's just that pull is no longer there, you know. That's why I like Lent. Anything I want to give up, I give it up during Lent, because we're a creature of habits, you know. So I'm not gonna really get back into this thing because I have food in my fridge. Check out my cooking recipes, guys. Get some good Jamaican food and other food. And I do a lot of healthy dishes too. So we're going through here. This is a big mall. Portmore Mall. It's really big, but it was the first mall, so it's a little older than the other malls now. Check out the Kingston, downtown Kingston to Portmore by the toll road video 64.1 to get a little better view of the malls and stuff. Going by another route. I'm gonna stop at Tasty. Oh, Tasty line longish. So you could also go around, take the left beside the courts and come in from the next side. That's better. But because it was hard brings a come at last. No. We are very scared now of these. They've been holding up these Brinks trucks. Okay, so the menu is you can get patty or cocoa bread. You can get chicken and fries. You can get pastry. You can get some other chicken sandwich or fish sandwich. You can get jerk chicken patty. What else they have? Beef patty with cheese, cocoa bread, dinner roll, meat loaf, chicken loaf, and beef patty. I'm having beef patty. Afternoon, can I get a beef patty and a cocoa bread in one bag and a beef patty in another bag?
Okay.
And I want 1 bottle of water.
Can I have 2 beef patty, a cocoa bread, and a bottle of water? The bottle of water is room temperature, okay?
Alright, no problem.
760.
Thanks. My patty and cocoa bread. The patty is the beef, minced beef in a flaky pastry, and you have the cocoa bread is a nice soft bread. So I'll show you when I'm eating it because I already have 1 patty already. Okay, so let's see what my patty looks like. Get it in a bag and put it in another bag. This is the patty and the cocoa bread. I'm gonna put them in the plate so you can see them better. My patty. So what we normally do, sometimes I ask them to put the patty in the cocoa bread for me. So it's like they put butter in between and they bake it so it opens up, and you put the patty in like this. This is a lot of starch, lots of calories, but it's worth every bite. And then if you're on the road, you just put it back in the bag and you eat it like this. You bite into it. So because I had a patty already, I'm just gonna break it and show you what it looks like inside, because I don't feel like eating anything more right now. This is the meat, beef, but it's Jamaica is really famous for patties, so I'm sure you may have heard about patties already for those who are not Jamaicans. And that's it. Yummy.